Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces Water Sign. This is June bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces Water Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Pisces, what are the messages for you and what's going on? I think Pisces, you are dealing with a toxic person. One person is sneaking this connection. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. Maybe you are waiting on something, or someone, but you are very independent emotionally and financially. King of Pentacles is here. Maybe right now you are concentrating on your abundance, but you are very independent person. But there is one person is sneaking this connection. Miscommunication, false communication. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the world, 7 of Wands and Knight of Cups. So there are some cycles are going to be already ended between you and your person. Maybe you are very defensive right now. And Knight of Cups. So you still have strong emotions towards this person, but you acting as defensive. Yes, you are showing that you are not interested in your person, but you are still interested on them because you have strong emotions towards your person. Maybe there are some issues involved in this connection. It could be family, friends, or other issue could be. But for some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Present the Tower, 2 of Cups and 5 of Swords. So you are going through a lot right now. Maybe for some you are in separation, but this love is mutual. You both love each other a lot. And 5 of Swords. Definitely some backstabbing energy. They backstabbed on you, cheated on you, lied to you. Yeah, third party also involved in this connection. But love is mutual between you and your person. Then future Page of Swords, 6 of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles. So you are concentrating on your financial stability and you are managing your finances because 6 of Pentacles with 10 of Pentacles. So maybe your person is spying on you because Page of Swords energy is here. And for some children also involved in this connection. There is no equal give and take in this connection. You want equal give and take and you want stability. But in financial wise, you are getting a lot of abundance and stability in finances. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Pisces, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Hermit, Knight of Wands and 8 of Wands. Communication. Maybe your person thinking to reach out to you through communication and they are very attracted to you. If you are in separation, they're still attracted towards you. And Hierophant, they're thinking about commitment. So let's see their current feelings and their intentions. So you both are in long distance relationship. Maybe they turn their back from you, but they still want positive growth in this relationship. And they're thinking that you are their empress, and for some maybe women in this connection could be pregnant, having kids. So right now your person is very drained and very tight, but they're ready to work on this relationship. 8 of Pentacles energy, and they're still thinking about you and about this relationship. Very positive because the star card is here, and the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. So let's see their intentions. Queen of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, and Magician, Page of Swords, and 2 of Wands. A lot of spying is going Pisces right now. Maybe they are spying on you and they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe they have options. Yeah, now they want reconciliation with you. They're ready to work on this relationship. In past, there is no collaboration between you and your person. There is no partnership. They do love you, Pisces, because Queen of Cups, they still have strong emotions towards you. And 10 of Pentacles with 8 of Pentacles, they're really serious about you and they want to work on this relationship. For some, your person are manifesting you. Wow. They are doing manifesting techniques to manifest you back. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Nine of Pentacles. Your person is very independent emotionally and financially, and they're very, very strong. And the person involved in this connection could be Leo. Wheel of Fortune with 10 of Swords and High Priestess. So you are listening to your intuition. I think you both are on the same page because 10 of Swords and 10 of Swords. You are also fed up with this energy and you are also tired, very drained, and you are waiting for divine timing. Things will turn into your favor near future, and you are waiting for divine timing and you are waiting for your time because Wheel of Fortune is here. And the Magician, again, you are manifesting whatever you want in your life. Maybe 5 of Pentacles, they treated you as a option. They rejected you in past. Maybe they neglected you. But they do love you. So let's see mutual energies. If you are in relationship with this person right now, they want to take this relationship to next level. If you are in separation, they want reconciliation. Yeah. So 8 of Wands. Lots of communication is coming. And 3 of Swords. Maybe you both are heartbroken right now. You both want to each other. You both want to talk to each other because Page of Cups, apology. Maybe they hurt you in past. Now they want to say apology to you. And there is lots of communication is coming. Wow. And this connection has some potential. And children's also involved in this connection. Right now, you both are in separation for some and missing each other a lot. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Decision time, marriage, reconciliation. I have too much going on my life. Your pure perfection, reunion is coming. So the messages are decision time, marriage, reconciliation. I have too much going on my life. Your pure perfection and reunion is coming. These are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Nothing is at set in stone, mutable moon. And what do you need to release? Waning moon. So for some, there is nothing is set into in stone. Maybe your person want to approach. For some, there will be a late. For some, because there will be a lot of resistance. That's why maybe it will take some time. For some, maybe it will take less time depending upon your resistance and what do you need to release. So if you are thinking about your person negatively, you have to release all the negative thinking and negative thoughts from you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.